Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone or Apple Watch is compatible and updated. Once done, open Wallet and tap the plus icon to add a card. Choose debit, credit, or Apple Card, then scan the card or type numbers manually. Make sure to accept terms and complete bank verification, often an SMS code or bank app approval. This links your card to Apple Pay. It's secure because the device creates a token, not sharing your real card number. Once your card is added, set which card is default to speed payments. Go to Settings or long press Wallet to change default. Next, make sure authentication is enabled, Face ID, Touch ID, or a strong passcode, because Apple Pay requires biometric or passcode approval for secure transactions. Then verify billing, shipping, and contact info for online checkout. Doing this now prevents delays at merchants. Also enable payment notifications to catch any unexpected charges quickly. You're ready to pay? On iPhone with Face ID, double-click the side button, Authenticate, then hold the top near the contactless reader until you see Done and a check mark. On a device with Touch ID, rest your finger on Touch ID while holding near the terminal. On Apple Watch, double-click the side button. If a transaction fails, retry once, ensure Bluetooth or network is stable, confirm the card wasn't blocked, and call your bank if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.